In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 6 options infographic slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have created 6 cutouts, and when I click, the first option will come out from this cutout. So let me just show you how it works. When I click, you can see here the option A comes. You can add your title, your detailed text, you can replace your icon. Then I have given some different gradient fills here along with the shadow. So when I click, then it will show the option B with different colors, then option C, option D, option E, and option F. And if you like, you can make it only 4 slides or 4 options also, something like this. And I have created one more slide where there's no animation to it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon, as well as share and like my channel PowerPoint University. And if you would like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to insert shapes. From the basic shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape, maybe this much size. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, I'm going to select black, and I'm going to give a soft edges for this. For that, right mouse click, go to format shape and increase the transparency. Maybe you can increase to 60 or 70%, and then go to effects. Under soft adjust, increase it. Maybe you can keep it 8 or 9, and you can further increase the height and width. It looks something like this. And then I'm going to hide one part. For that, go to insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle covering only the half part of the oval shape, and shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, make it white. So it gives you kind of a cutout effect. You can see here it looks something like this. So let me just move this here, and then I'm going to insert some rectangles. Go to insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle depending on the requirement, how much you need. If you want to add a bigger one, you can add it here, or if you want smaller one and you want to add side by side also, you can do that one. So let me just keep it maybe this much size. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, maybe I'm going to give some gray color, and later on we can change the color, and then send this to back. So it looks like it is coming out from this cutout. Then I'm going to give some different colors at the bottom. So select this, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to give a gradient color. So select the gradient color, any color you can choose. So I'm going to choose one color. Maybe I can go for some maybe purple with some kind of a pink, light pink, or something like this. Some different color combination you can choose, so it looks something like this. And if you want, you can change the direction wherever the way you want. And then I'm just going to select this and again send this to back, and only this much only it is. I'm going to keep it visible, you can see here. And if you want to add one more as a shadow effect, that also can be done. So I'm just going to select this, press Ctrl D to duplicate, shape fill, make it black. You can see here, again bring it here, send this to back. You can see here, let me just zoom in. So it looks something like this. So I'm just going to select all these 3 shapes by holding the shift key and move it up. You can see here, this is the one kind of black shadow effect or of effect I've given, and then I've added one gradient fill here. Now once this is done, now it's time to give the shadow effect. For the shadow effect, I'm going to select the same thing, the oval shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate. Then I want to convert this to a rectangle. For that, go to format, edit shape, change shape, and select the rectangle. You can see the rectangle, just make it horizontal, increase the size, and then bring it here, tilt it a little bit here, something like this, and send this to back. You can see here it got the effect. So if you want to make it somewhat a darker color also, you can just remove, make sure the transparency is reduced, and you can go to the soft edges. Either you can increase it something like this, increase the size bigger. So you can see here it gives a shadow effect like this. If you want to increase the size, you can just increase it also, something like this. Now I'm going to add one shape. Go to insert shapes, and from, you can see here from basic shapes, I'm going to select the hexagon, draw the hexagon by holding the shift key. Maybe the size is this much, and then you can just rotate it. You can bring this on the top, something like this. You can see, and put it exactly in the center. Shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to use the gradient color what I have used here. So for that, go to home, format, paint, and just click it on here. So you got the same gradient fill here, and then you can add the option number, either A, B, C, D, whichever way you want. Let me just put A. I'm going to center align, increase the size. If you want, you can make it bold also, and then put it exactly in the center. You can see here, if you want to reduce the size also, you can reduce the size something like this, and bring it somewhat closer to this. And then I want to add one more shape, a triangle. Go to insert shape, select the triangle, maybe this much size. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, I'm going to use the same color which I've used for this. So you can see here, and then just go to rotate, and I'm going to rotate left 90 degrees, and then just put it here exactly in the center. So you got the shape something like this. And if you want to change the color to some other colors, then you can just select this one and give some different color, but you have to make sure that you have to change this color as well. So once this is done, you can add some icons and the text, and if you want, you can add one more shape here. I'm going to select the same hexagon. Let me just select the same hexagon here. Sorry, press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Shape outline, I'm going to give, for example, let me just go to the shape outline. I'm going to give the gradient the same color. I'm going to use it, which is the purple and the pink color. You can see here, shape fill, make it no fill, and then just increase the size and just put it here. Increase the size further, and make sure that from one side I'm just going to make it fully transparent. So I'm just going to select this and make it fully transparent. You can see here, something like this it will look. So you got this effect, but still something is visible. Let me just go there and move it further. All right, so it looks only half. Either this is full, but I've made it not visible or transparency here. And then if you are using the later version of PowerPoint, you can go to insert icons, and you can select any icon of your choice. Maybe I'm going to select this icon, and then make the size, the height and width as 0.5 only, and graphic fill, maybe I'm going to give this color and put it here. Then go to insert text box. You can add your title here. If you want, again, you can give some different color, or you can keep it black also, and then go to insert text, and you can add your detail text here. Again, give some dark color, gray color, and just add it here. So it looks something like this. So you can see here, my first option is ready. Now it's very easy for me. I'm going to select all. You can see here, either and press Ctrl A also to select all. Just move it a little bit here. So this is my first option. Press Ctrl D. This is my second option, you can see here. And I'm going to add two more options to the left, so maybe 4 options only. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. You can group it also, not a problem. And then you can, I'm just putting this side and make sure that it is properly aligned, something like this. Now these are the 4 options. Now it's very easy. You can just change the color according to your requirement. Maybe a color orange with some lighter color, maybe this color, whichever color you feel better. And the same color also you can apply it here. The same color I can just select and apply it here, and just change the icon according to the requirement. So this is A, this is, I'm going to make it B, this is C, and this is D. So I'm going to select this, go to format and click on this, sorry, again select this format, let me just zoom in, and I'm just going to select this part. So even this one also, let me just select this and this part, and make sure that this one is format shape fill no fill. So it looks something like this, and you can make this as again black as usual, and make sure that it is all bold and increase the size. So you can see, yes, like this you can do it for even this color also. You can just go and change the color of what you have selected here.